Let's first watch this small sample video I prepared, and then see the steps I used to make it. Now let's see how I prepared the video you just watched, shall we? To put it simply, there are only 4 steps involved. First, storyboarding, where we prepare the story, then character designing. We decide and design the characters we will use in the story. Next, scene composition, i.e. location, or the scene's final production, which in our case would be animation. But if you want to make your characters talk, then we will add voiceover to this. Don't be scared, we have a very easy way to do all this without breaking a sweat. Before we get into it, how about you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Done? Let's continue. First, as I said before, let's prepare the story. For this, we can either write one ourselves, or we can ask GPT to do one for us. Open ChatGPT and simply type in the kind of story you want, and it will immediately prepare everything from the story to the script you need. Next, character designing. You can ask GPT to develop the kind of characters you need for the story, or you can design it yourself. The next natural step is to build or develop the characters. We are going to use KlingAI to draw these characters and prepare the animations. You can find the link in the description. You will see this screen once you've signed up. You will also notice that you get some free credits after signing up. But unlike others, I'm not going to promise that these credits are enough to complete your project, since they usually are not. Let's continue. Using KlingAI, you can complete 3 steps. First, you can create images for your characters and scenes. Next, you can also do animations and the voiceover. First, let's do the character designing and scene development. Click on AI Images. Now, inside the field where it says Prompt, type in what you want your character to be, one character at a time. If you need assistance with the prompt, simply ask GPT to write you one. Since you have used it to develop your character, it easily churn out a prompt for you as well. Just drop that prompt in KlingAI and that's it. Select the screen resolution below, leave generation count at 4, and then click the Generate button. It's that simple. KlingAI gives you 4 images. Select whichever you like and feel it's closer to the one you has in mind. Truth is, nothing is perfect the first time you try, right? Whatever changes you want in the image, go to GPT and tell it to modify the prompt. Try KlingAI again with that modified prompt. Eventually, you will get as close as possible to what you want using this trial and error method. Once finalized, move on to the next character. Repeat the same steps to extract the scenes as well. Eventually, we will use the images of the characters and the scene to create the video. Next, let's move on to creating the animations. For this, you need to go back to the dashboard and click on AI Videos. Select the Elements tab. Here, using the options provided, upload the images for your characters and scenes and enter the prompt in simple English in 2 to 3 lines, explaining exactly how you want this scene animated. Again, for assistance, ask GPT for help and use the prompt it generates. In Settings, simply select the duration and resolution correctly. In the negative prompt, for now just add low resolution, abnormal fingers, sudden movements, abnormal eyes, abnormal eye movement, unnecessary animations, and additional characters, if you don't want the animation to be flawed. Once the first animation is ready, you can add more to this based on it. Click on the Generate button. It will take 10-15 minutes to complete. Similar to the image generation, you will need to follow the trial and error method here as well. To adjust animations or to modify something, use GPT to modify the prompts as needed. If there is an animation error you want corrected, fix it using the negative prompts. That's it. Repeat this step for all scenes you want animated, then use an editor to put them all together, refine the video, add a background music, and export. As you can see, everything depends on only 2 things: how well you write the prompt and how you modify it based on the results you get. This iterative method ensures you get the desired final results. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please like and share this video. See you in the next one. Thank you, stay safe, and just tech it easy.